tossing and turning in a sweltering, humid bedroom while your fan just pushes hot air around, or trying to focus in a home office that feels like a sauna is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your energy and ruins your productivity. Traditional window AC units are incredibly heavy, block your view, and are a massive pain to install, while central air costs a fortune to run just to cool a single room. The 3-in-1 8500 BTU portable air conditioner completely rescues you from that oppressive indoor heat, functioning as a highly efficient, mobile climate control workstation engineered to deliver crisp, refreshing air exactly where you need it. Don't let its sleek, compact footprint fool you. This portable powerhouse packs a heavy-duty 8,500 BTU cooling capacity, making it fully optimized to rapidly drop the temperature in rooms up to 450 square feet. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its versatile 3-in-1 multi-mode functionality. With the touch of a button or a tap on the included remote, you can seamlessly switch from high-velocity cooling to a multi-speed fan, or engage the high-capacity built-in dehumidifier mode to strip sticky, uncomfortable moisture out of the air on muggy summer days. Engineered for seamless, stress-free integration into your daily life, this unit features an ultra-quiet compressor system and a dedicated sleep mode, allowing it to maintain a peaceful climate throughout the night without waking you up. It comes entirely complete with a comprehensive window mount kit and a flexible exhaust hose that adjusts perfectly to both horizontal and vertical sliding windows, getting you up and running in minutes with absolutely no tools required. Backed by smooth gliding caster wheels and integrated carry handles, it is the ultimate mobile upgrade for renters, remote workers, and families who demand instant, energy-efficient cooling relief without a permanent installation hassle. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're setting this up to rescue your home office or to keep your bedroom ice cold at night. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more home appliances, summer gear, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.